The Toyota Hilux airbag light is on. Let's check what the problem is. Before repairing the airbag, we must remove the negative wire so that the electrical connection is actually disconnected. There are two covers on the left and right corners of the steering wheel that contain the screws that connected to the airbag on the steering wheel. This need to be removed. All connections and cables must be fully disconnected. Here, after removing the steering wheel, the cover on the steering wheel on the Toyota Hilux needs to be opened.
Here you can see the spiral cable, clock spring, which has an internal wiring breakage, and this part must be replaced. Please note that under no circumstances should you attempt to repair airbag-related components.
We reassemble all the parts that we removed for replacing the spiral cable clock spring in the reverse order from last to first.
The part you're looking at is the spiral cable clock spring airbag clock spring. At the final stage, this locking pin must be removed. Once you remove it, under no circumstances should the spiral cable be allowed to rotate, as it will tear or damage the internal ribbon cable. Proceed with extreme caution.
As you can see, the airbag warning light turn off right now, and we longer have the opening the driver script fault code on the diagnosis tool. Thank you so much for watch the video with me until the end. Please subscribe to channel, like the video, and share it with other. It may help someone who needs it. Thanks again.